Okay, so today I want to give you a step-by-step walkthrough on exactly how to create a YouTube channel with all of the latest optimization techniques. Following this guide will ensure that your channel is optimized to get the most amount of views and subscribers as possible. I'll be covering some key features that people tend to overlook, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. You're here, I'm sure, because you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, and for that, I really do want to say congratulations. Contrary to what you might hear these days, YouTube is one of the best ways to start making money online, especially as a beginner. Not only can you scale to the point of generating tens of thousands of dollars every single month in ad revenue, but you also have the means of creating other sources of income like affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products, and even brand sponsorships. But for now, you're here to learn about the first steps, and truly that is amazing, so let's get started. The first step is creating your Google account. If you already have one, that's great. Just sit tight, this will only take a minute. But if you don't, simply go down here and click Create Account, and then select For Work or My Business if you plan to operate YouTube as a business, even if that's further down the road. I recommend just going with a Gmail address here. From here, you can put your first and your last name in, click Next, and then from here, enter some basic information like your birthday and a couple of other things. They may also ask you to verify your phone number, and then they'll ask you to put in the name of the Gmail you'd like to secure. This can be anything really, like your name or the name that you want to call your channel. Okay, so now you have a Gmail account. This is the account that you'll use to create your YouTube channel. In order to do that, you click your profile picture in the top right and then go down here to Settings. And from here, we're going to click Create a New Channel. You can have many different channels under one Gmail account if you'd like, and then you can simply click Create Channel from here. Now it's time to give your channel a name. Here, I'm going to create one for my good friend who teaches people how to write music. And so I'll simply type in Tyler's Tunes, which is what I'm going to call this channel. Check this box right here and then click Create. Now, one quick bonus tip here for creating a YouTube channel, make sure to use a password manager for saving the password for your Google accounts. I personally use Google Chrome's password manager that's built right into the app, but the main thing is to make sure to keep track of all your passwords. You want to make sure you don't get locked out of your account. If you do need help coming up with the YouTube channel name, ChatGPT is a great resource that can be used for free. You can use the prompt, give me 100 YouTube channel name ideas for a channel about teaching people to write electronic music. And then you just click enter and you'll see that ChatGPT returns 100 different great channel name ideas. With any of the names that stick out to you, make sure to do a quick search on YouTube to verify that there aren't any huge channels that already have that name. But yeah, ChatGPT is great. You can get hundreds of name ideas from here. I almost guarantee you'll find one that works. Now it's time for step number 3, and that's customizing your channel. Once you have your YouTube channel created, you can get to it at any time by clicking your profile picture and then clicking View Your Channel. In order to add a profile picture, you simply hover over the circle for your profile picture here, and you click it, and this is where you upload your new profile picture. You'll need to create a profile picture, something that looks clean and professional. I recommend using a website called snappa.com. I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. Snappa is an amazing image creation tool where you can design assets directly online using thousands of different templates. You don't need to learn any complex skills like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator or anything like that. I'm gonna pretend that this is a photo of my buddy Tyler here, and I'm gonna use it to create a profile picture. I recommend going to custom graphic or size and putting in 1000 by 1000 for the pixel size, and then click create, and then you download it. You'll also need a banner image, something clean and stands out. This is what goes on the top of your YouTube channel. To do that, simply go back to Snappa. They have a built-in YouTube banner template right here. Here's a good one right here that we can use. You can just click it and it'll open up. You'll just edit any of the text you need to. Again, I'll be calling this channel Tyler's Tunes, just like that right here. You can add anything you want, remove anything you want. You can upload a photo if you need. Snappa is also great for removing image backgrounds with just a few clicks. I'm gonna keep this simple because I wanna keep this quick and easy for you guys for this video, but you can obviously take as much time as you need and put as much detail into this as you want. But for now, I'm just gonna click save and then click download and then click web optimized JPEG. And then you'll go back to YouTube Studio and click upload for banner image. Select your banner image and click done, and then boom, you have your banner image for your channel. And then for a video watermark, this isn't super necessary. It's a little graphic that sits in the bottom right corner of your video. And when someone clicks it, they subscribe to your channel. To make it easier, you can literally just create a little box with the word subscribe on it. That's a pretty common one that I see, but you can also just leave it blank as well. Then if you click view your channel, you can take a look at the changes you made and see what it looks like. Moving into step number 4, that is unlocking all the features for your channel. Some features, for example, is adding custom thumbnails that entice people to click on your videos that require additional verification. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that right now. From your YouTube channel page, click your profile picture to the top right, and then select YouTube Studio. Your YouTube Studio will be your hub for checking analytics, changing settings. It's basically the whole back end of your YouTube channel. From your YouTube analytics, go to the left-hand side right here and go all the way down to the bottom to settings. From settings, you'll go to the right side here and click channel and then click feature eligibility. From here, in order to unlock, for example, uploading custom thumbnails, which is 100% essential, I highly recommend doing this before uploading a single video on your YouTube channel. All you have to do is just verify your phone number. It can be your personal phone number, or you can create a Google phone number if you need. There are some additional features that do require further verification as well. For example, being able to upload multiple videos per day, being able to apply for monetization, and this is a big one, putting external links in the descriptions of your videos. This is super important if you plan to promote affiliate links or sell your own digital products, for example. It does require some additional verification. You have two options for this. The first one is where you upload a video of yourself in a valid form of ID to YouTube. This usually takes a few days to get verified, or you can just get some channel history going. This just means having some activity on your YouTube channel for around a month, meaning you're just regularly uploading videos during that time frame, and eventually you'll see that these features get enabled on their own systematically. I typically go with the video history option, but if you do have some links that you need to post in the description from the beginning, you'll have to do the other verification method, which is pretty straightforward and is quicker than the channel history option. Okay, so let's move on to optimizing your channel. There are some additional settings that are going to help your channel get more views and rank in the algorithm faster. So let's head back to our YouTube studio. From here, we're going to go down to the left-hand side and we're going to go down to settings. And from here, go to channel. First of all, select your country of residence. For me, I'm living in the United States, so I'm going to go down and select United States. Directly under that, we can add some keywords that relate to our channel. So my friend's channel is going to be about music. So I'm going to put some keywords like writing music, playing piano. If you need any help with this, again, ChatGPT is a great solution. You just type in, give me 20 keywords about writing electronic music, and click enter. As you can see, it's given a couple of good ones. Okay, so my friend's channel is called Tyler Tunes. So I'll just add Tyler in here as well. If you want to go even a step further with this and find the absolute best keywords to put in here, you can check out a tool called vidIQ. I'll leave a link down below where you can go check it out. It's basically free for the first month, and this will help you find the best keywords to use for your channel. I do use this tool all the time. It's pretty much a necessity when it comes to running a YouTube channel. Hey, if you're learning something so far, go ahead and click that like button. It helps out a ton. And go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. I share videos just like this weekly where I talk about making money online. It's completely free, and you can always change your mind later. The next step is to select our upload defaults, which go down here to settings and then go up to upload defaults. And from here, we go to advanced settings and select your video language. This channel is going to be uploading videos in English. So we're going to go scroll down and select English. And if you know all your videos are going to be in a single category, for example, Tyler's will be how-to videos. I'm going to select how to and style right here. And then I'm going to select the title and description language. This is obviously going to be English, and then I'll click save. This is going to save a lot of time in the uploading process. It's easy to forget to do some of this, so having it all default makes it really simple. Okay, so now you want to customize your channel to get as many views as possible, and it's super simple. Go to the left-hand side here, go down to customization, go over to the featured sections of your channel, click add section. I recommend adding a popular videos section because your popular videos are that way for a reason. It's proven that the algorithm likes them because they get clicks, which turn into views, meaning that if you put them at the top of your page, when someone lands on that page, odds are you're going to get more views and more watch time on your channel, which is good for you and good for YouTube. You can also add a channel trailer, but as of now, you don't have any videos to put there yet, so we'll just click publish. But once you are ready, you can add things like that channel trailer, as well as a featured video for your returning subscribers. I would just recommend choosing one of your better videos for either of those. Next up, you'll click basic info. This is where you can do things like change the name of your channel if you want. You can do this every 14 days for your channel, and you can also change your handle name. Remember that your YouTube handle is different than your username. Your handle is basically the unique URL that you have for your channel. So in this case, we got the handle Tyler's Tunes. Not every handle is going to be available. You'll just need to double check prior to picking what name you like. Just type in one that you're thinking about and it'll show if it's available right there. If it shows a little green check mark, you're good to go. You can add some additional settings right here if you'd like, as well as a description for your channel. This is something that I do recommend filling out, and you can have ChatGPT help you out here as well. You can type something like, write a 100-word description about a YouTube channel called Tyler's Tunes, which teaches people how to create electronic music. Click enter, and boom, you'll have a solid description to get you started. From here, you can scroll down. You can add some links to your other socials, or if you have links to some digital products or your own community, for example, you can put those right here. I do recommend adding some contact info. You'll just put your email right here so people can connect with you if they need to. Eventually, you will have sponsors that want to reach out to you or other business opportunities that you might want to pursue, and you want to make sure you have that email available so that can happen. Now, if you're still watching this video, odds are that you want to make some money from your YouTube channel, and I don't blame you. It's an amazing online business to start, even for a beginner. So make sure when you're setting up your channel, go over here to the Earn tab on your YouTube Studio and then scroll down here. As you can see, it requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to join YouTube's partner program. After you're a part of that, that's when you start to earn income from the ads that are ran on your videos. I recommend selecting the email me option right here so you can get emailed once you meet the requirements and you don't forget about it. Also, you want to go down here and turn on two-step verification. So just click turn on right here, and then you can simply put in your phone number and you're good to go. Two-step verification is actually a requirement to join the partner program, so I recommend just go ahead and doing it now. This will help speed up the process of getting monetized when you do meet those requirements. Another feature that you might want to utilize down the road is permissions. In order to do this, simply go to your YouTube studio. On the left side, go to settings and then click permissions. From here, you can invite other people who have Google accounts and give them the ability to access your channel, assigning them a variety of different roles. For example, you can give them the role of a moderator to just answer questions in the comments and stuff like that. You can also give the role so people can help edit your channel as well, like I'm doing right here for my buddy. Something else I recommend to help you get more subscribers is adding an auto subscribe link. To do that, simply go to the URL for your YouTube channel and then put this text after it. !sub_confirmation=1. I'll show you what this does. If we copy that right here and then click enter on this link, it'll direct people to the link where it'll confirm if people want to subscribe to your channel. This helps remove even just a little bit of the friction that people have to subscribe to your channel, which in turn means more subscribers for your channel. With that, you head back to customize your channel in order to add this link to it, and then go to basic info, go down to links right here, and then you simply add subscribe right here, and then you put that link. Click publish, and now if you click view your channel, you'll see that the subscribe link's showing up right here. It's simple and really effective. And that's it. That was a step-by-step walkthrough on how to create a YouTube channel using the latest optimization techniques. I really hope that I was able to provide some real value for you and help get you started on your own YouTube journey. I do have another video that I shot previously where I talk about why YouTube is one of the best online businesses to start this year. I'll put that right here so you can check it out. I really appreciate you watching this video. Like, subscribe, all that great stuff. It means a lot. It really does help. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.